Yo, Street Hog fam, I am back with a long overdue video. I apologize for being away. I was asleep for a minute, but the people over at AUXITO LED reached out to me. They like some of my reaction videos, like the reviews that I've been doing on some stuff, and I told them I wouldn't mind doing a few reviews on some of their products. So I'm here right now to do some of these reviews. I got two products sent in. One is for this car, which is the charger. So I'm gonna get right into this. And then the other box is for my little work car that I got. So the first thing that I got right here is these are the knobs for the volume and the temperature in the car. So I'm gonna do a before and after video on this. Nice little package that it comes in. The good thing about this is it's scratch proof. Has that real good aluminum on it. So this one is for the temperature, and these two are for the volume and the gauges on turning the radio stations. But yeah, you got 3 of these. So I'm gonna do a before and after video. And while I'm here, I'm gonna open what's in the second box. Like I said, where you could get any of these products is over at AUXITO LED on Instagram. These ones right here are the low beams, the M3s. You get the 2-pack. So I'll end up coming back and doing another review on this. But like I said, the first 3 items that I got were the AC knob rings. And I got them in red so they could match everything else I got going with the car. I got red floor mats, everything, all my lettering on the outside, everything is red. So that's just that. But some of the good things about having these lights are it has an efficient cooling system, high-speed cooling fan. It has is 200% brighter. You won't have to worry about any dark spots, no blinding spots to other drivers. It has double-sided LEDs. So there's a lot of good benefits with these. So, like I said, I will come back with another video of how the headlights look in the other vehicle. And I'll do a before and after with that as well. But stay tuned for the end of this video, because I will also do a before and after of how my center console looks with nothing on it compared to how it looks with these nice looking red knob rings. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with another video for you guys.